Following is a quick overview of the weekly email that we send out, or we put it into a chatter post, depending if you're an Enerlead for Click or Enerlead for Salesforce customer. And just going to go over the sections very quickly. The first is major interesting projects. So what I've done is I've looked at both the well licenses and the facility licenses and found some that I feel have the largest capital investment made to it. So an example here, here's two companies, Crescent Point and Gear, that were doing a lot of facility amendments in a specific area. That might be a leading indicator of what might be some increased activity. Talking about Federated Co-op putting in a compression facility, or Tidewater Midstream doing a storage facility in the Grand Prairie area. And I also talk about some larger pad sites. So again, looking at all the data, just trying to give you a little bit of a summary. The other thing we do is we do some comparisons on your behalf. We're looking for companies that are doing something for the first time over, say, this year or a period of time that we've defined. So in this case, first facility licenses in 2016. Here we can see that Zargon has done an amendment to a gas processing plant. Federated has that compressor stations. Crew Energy putting in a byproduct, oil byproduct. We also look at first well licenses for that week compared to the current year, CY current year. Again, looking for leading indicators, just trying to figure out which companies are doing something in a specific area for the first time. So you don't have to go through all the licenses to figure that out. We're providing that for you. And then we also then look at the drilling side of it as well. We look at the first wells drilled, and usually from the beginning of kind of a drilling system, season. So looking at May 1, and so in this case, Murphy Oil was that was the first time that they actually drilled a well. First well that Suncor drilled, Takwa, Capillo Exploration, and we talk about the areas and the LSDs, and we also look at the rigs that are coming online for the first time. And the last component, as I go through the BOE reports and I try to find some interesting information in the other news, typically it's about financing. So Sunshine closes $8 million in financing, Blackbird $8 million in financing, Peyto $100 million, Manitou $21 million. Again, looking for leading indicators to tell you what's going on from a financing perspective. So this information comes out weekly. It changes every single week. It's just a review and summary of all the well license information that you can use in helping you in your sales initiatives.